Welcome to Environment Creation in Houdini from Rebelway. In this course, CG Supervisor James Hodgart will show you how to create stunning landscapes inside Houdini. James has worked on incredible VFX projects for some of the biggest clients in the industry, including Sony, Microsoft, Blizzard, and Riot Games. This is your chance to learn environment creation from an industry pro. Inside the course, you'll get feedback on your environment projects while having access to a private chat channel. The chat is full of award-winning industry professionals working at some of the largest studios in the world. Environment creation in Houdini is specifically designed for students who want to learn how to create stunning landscapes for film, TV, or cinematics. The course will start by explaining composition, visual storytelling, and the tools available to you as an environment artist. This section should clear up any technical questions you have about environment pipelines. Later in the course, we'll cover terrain creation, tree and foliage generation, shading, lighting, atmospherics, and compositing. By the end, you'll create and render multiple world-class environments that look as good as the ones you've seen on your favorite film or TV projects. If you've ever wanted to create stunning environments for film or TV, this is your course. You can learn more and see if it's a good fit for you over on Rebelway. Once a rebel, always a rebel.